Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online and become a work from home freelancer. So this is the next video in my Make Faceless video series, where I teach you how you can make videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, where you do not need to show your face or even your voice. This is probably the easiest video idea that I've done so far. It's all about shopping. You don't have to buy anything. All you need is your mobile phone. And I'm going to show you these videos that are so popular right now, especially during this holiday season of Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, where you go out and you take videos of new products at popular stores in your town. These videos are completely blowing up. There's hundreds of thousands of views already on videos that were posted last week, a few weeks ago, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. So first of all, you can see here, this is a video from a year ago. It has over 542,000 views. This guy literally just goes into Target and he films all the new Halloween products. Here's another example. This is a month ago. It already has 200,000 views, and you can see that the earlier, the better. This person posted their video in August 2022, even though Halloween isn't until the end of October, because they're showing all the new products that start to get released to stores. And why do people watch these videos? Because they want to get these cool new products. If you do a video for Halloween at the end of October, people don't have time to go to the stores and buy these products, or the products will be gone. So the earlier you can post these kinds of videos, the better. For example, Christmas is coming up. And you can see here 3 weeks ago, this person has over 94,000 views already, and they're just showing new products related to Christmas in Walmart, giving people ideas for holiday decoration inspiration. It's so easy, and it's amazing how much people like to watch these videos. So this woman has an entire channel that's pretty much dedicated to her going to Walmart or to Dollar Tree or Dollarama, Target, Dollar General, any popular franchise kind of store, and showing new items. Look, Christmas haul, Dollar Tree laundry baskets, Christmas decor, Walmart Christmas decor, Walmart high-end Christmas collection. And she's posting these videos almost every day, just showing cool stuff that you can find inside these stores. So what do you need? First of all, you need your theme. Maybe it's new seasonal products for Halloween or Christmas or Thanksgiving or Valentine's Day, or maybe it's new clothes that you find that have just been released, kitchenware, houseware, decor, etc. So every time you go shopping, just start recording cool new products you find, and you can post those onto your social media or onto your YouTube channel or Instagram, etc. So you need your phone or a camera to record the video. You also will want to use royalty-free background music. You don't even have to use your voice. You just can add the music. And then you need video editing software to compile the media together. These videos are successful, both long ones and also really short ones that I'll show you on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how you can compile your shopping finds video together. We're going to use a software called Filmora. And if you don't have Filmora, you can get it by clicking on the link in the description below this video for a free trial. And if you don't want to use Filmora, you can use any other video editor. Okay, so I want to show you some more examples of really successful channels following this method. You can see here, this is on Instagram. This girl, literally her whole Instagram feed is about her going to Target. She goes to Target and she just posts videos showing new items. This video is just her showing new pajamas, new bathrobes. So she goes often enough to Target to know what products are new and then just films them. And people like this because if they see a product they like, they're going to go to their Target and buy the same product. And we can see here that the Halloween ones, especially in Christmas, are super popular. And if you click on the video, you can see she's literally just filming with her phone in portrait mode and showing new pajamas. And this video has already racked up over 60,000 views. Here's another one from Halloween, over 42,000 views. And she's even doing Christmas, everything. This one is all about Walmart, and this person literally just takes pictures of new items that they find at Walmart, and she has over 179,000 followers. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of video. The first thing you're going to do is open up your video editor. Okay, so I've opened up Filmora, and the first thing I want to do is go to File, New Project. And then choose if you want to do widescreen or portrait. I'm going to choose 9:16 portrait because I filmed all of these in portrait format with my phone. So I'm going to do that. And now here it says you can drop your video clips, images, or audio. So I'm going to click here to import my media. And I'm going to choose the song that I downloaded from Pixabay for free, and then also these video clips that I've taken, and then click open. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is add your video clip to the timeline. So we're going to click and drag. You can just say match to media or keep project settings. This here is the timeline, and if you click and move your mouse to the left or right, it will zoom in or zoom out. So if I press play, you can see I've taken this little clip of different pumpkins that you can find at this store. And if you have any audio, you can right click and choose mute, and that will make this whole clip quiet so we can add background music. So the first thing I want to do is add some text. And I'm just going to go to titles and choose any of these titles that you like and click and drag it over top of the video. So it's on its own track. And if I drag this playhead, you can see here, this is where the text will be. So I'm going to double click on the text and then type in, for example, Halloween finds at, you could choose whatever store. So let's say it's Walmart or Target. And you can highlight it and you can center it. You can even go to advanced and you could add an outline and add like a black outline so the text pops a bit more. You can make it a little bit thicker. Add a drop shadow as well if you want, and press OK. So then you're just going to go back to media and you're going to click on your other clips and just drag it again to the timeline. So we've got the pumpkins and then we had here the brooms. Let's say I want to cut it right here after all these brooms and devil sticks. What I'm going to do to split this is drag my playhead to where I want to split it and then click the split icon, and that splits it into two different sections. So I can erase this second section by clicking on it and pressing the delete key. Again, make sure that you've muted the audio on all the clips. So literally you're just going to drag the videos you've taken and drag it onto the timeline and split the sections that you want or don't want. You can add transitions, you can add text, or you can literally just do what I've done here, which is just showing the new products. You can copy your title and add more text by clicking on the title, going right click, copy, and then drag the playhead where you want to paste it, and then right click, paste. And then here, you could even put something like follow for more, or you could use the same text to put something like new Halloween masks or whatever it is you want. The most important thing is to add music, because that's what I find people really liked with these videos. It makes it much more interesting to watch. So we're going to find our music track. Again, you can download free music from Pixabay. Click, drag it down to the music track here. And what we're going to do is hover our mouse over the end and click split, and then delete this section here by pressing the delete key. Then hover your mouse over the end of the music track until you see this little arrow, and click and drag it so it trims it to end when our video ends. You can double click on the music track, and here you can add a fade in, and you can see down here it fades it in, and a fade out so it's not choppy, okay? And now what you want to do is move this over here, this volume button down so it's not going to be super loud. So you can press play to preview. And it's really just that simple. These videos do not have to be complicated. And then you're going to click export, and you're just going to keep it as MP4. We can put this Halloween finds 1, and then just click export, and it will export our video. Now you might want to do one video that's like new Halloween masks at Target, or new Halloween costumes, or just, Christmas kitchenware. It doesn't really matter. Just focusing on new products or products that you can find that are seasonal at these different popular stores. Okay, so now let's quickly watch the video. And you can see it is just this easy. Try to take lots of footage when you're out at these different stores, and then when you're home, just compile them together and put them on your social media. Use all the keywords that are popular, like Target Halloween 2022, Christmas Target 2022, Christmas Walmart, and just wait until you start to get more and more views, but continue to push out content. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I will see you in my next tutorial.